Ever been in a pinch, needing to reach Venmo urgently outside of regular business hours? Maybe a payment glitched, you're facing a security issue, or you simply have a burning question that needs immediate attention. You're not alone. We've all been there. But hold on tight, because finding the right contact information can feel like a digital treasure hunt. So, let's cut through the chase. Is there actually a 24/7 phone number for Venmo? Buckle up, because we're about to dive deep into the world of Venmo customer support. The myth of the 24/7 Venmo phone number. Now, the million-dollar question: can you simply pick up your phone and dial a dedicated 24/7 Venmo hotline? Unfortunately, the answer is usually no. Venmo, like many tech companies, primarily relies on digital support channels. This means you're likely to encounter a maze of FAQs, online chatbots, and email forms before you even get a whiff of a human representative. Why no simple phone number? But why this digital-first approach? Well, there are a few reasons. Firstly, it allows Venmo to handle a massive volume of inquiries efficiently. Automating common issues through FAQs and chatbots can provide quick resolutions for many users. Secondly, it helps to reduce operational costs. Maintaining a large call center with 24/7 staffing would be a significant financial undertaking. And finally, it encourages users to explore self-service options, empowering them to find solutions independently. So, if a direct phone number isn't readily available, how do you actually get in touch with Venmo? Let's break down the available support channels. Venmo Help Center. This is your first stop. The Help Center is a comprehensive online resource packed with articles, FAQs, and troubleshooting guides. It covers a wide range of topics, from common account issues to security concerns. In-app support. Most Venmo interactions happen within the app itself. You'll often find options for in-app support, such as contacting Venmo support. This usually leads to a form where you can describe your issue. Live chat. Some issues may qualify for live chat support within the app, providing real-time assistance. Social media. Venmo maintains an active presence on social media platforms like Twitter and Facebook. You can try reaching out to them through direct messages or public posts. 1. nickcubella123.wixsite.com. nickcubella123.wixsite.com. Now, getting the quickest resolution requires a bit of strategy. Be specific, clearly and concisely describe the issue you're facing. Include any relevant details, such as transaction IDs, timestamps, and screenshots. Be patient, expect some wait times, especially during peak hours. Check your email. Keep an eye on your email inbox for responses from Venmo support. What if your issue is truly urgent, like a compromised account or a significant financial loss? Look for emergency contact information. While a dedicated phone number might be elusive, some critical situations might have specific escalation paths. Explore community forums. Online communities and forums can be valuable resources. You might find helpful tips from other users or connect with someone who has encountered a similar issue. It's crucial to remember that clear and concise communication is key. The more information you provide up front, the faster Venmo support can understand your situation and offer assistance. Avoid vague or generic inquiries, as this can lead to delays and frustration. Alternatives to direct contact. While direct phone support might be limited, consider these alternative approaches. Reviewing your account activity. Regularly check your transaction history for any suspicious activity. Strengthening your account security. Enable two-factor authentication, create a strong password, and keep your device and app updated. Understanding Venmo's policies. Familiarize yourself with Venmo's terms of service and user agreement to avoid potential issues. The evolving landscape of customer support. It's important to note that customer support channels are constantly evolving. Venmo may introduce new features or modify existing ones in the future. Stay updated. Keep an eye on Venmo's official website and social media channels for any updates on their support options. So, there you have it. While a dedicated 24/7 phone number for Venmo might not exist, you can still effectively reach out to them through a variety of channels. By utilizing the Help Center, utilizing in-app support, and exploring social media avenues, you can find the assistance you need. Remember to be patient, communicate clearly, and explore all available resources. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.